Hi, in this video I will show you how to share a private story on the Snapchat. So the process is pretty simple. So if you want to share a private story on your Snapchat and you don't know how you can share it, so simply you have to follow this procedure. So first of all, you have to open your Snapchat mobile application and go to your chats, and from the left top you have to click on your profile icon. Once you will tap on it, you will see multiple options here. Also you will see my stories, and on the right side you will see a private story option. You have to click on it. Now you have to create a list for your private story. Like I select these friends and click on the create my story, and now you have to click on the save. So your private story is created here. So also here I have created different private stories. Now you have to click a one to share your story. Now this story is only show to those friends who are enabled to see. So this is the procedure to upload a private story on a Snapchat. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.